Hi guys, John here from Donley Ford, and are you an Ohio State football fan like me? Well then come check out our Ohio State colored Escapes we have on our lot. This one here is an Escape ST all-wheel drive. This one here is an Escape Active all-wheel drive. Here, let me show you a little closer. As you can see, the Rapid Red Metallic, or as I would call it, Scarlet, is a very well-equipped Escape. It's got, I'll show you here, it's got leather seats, a huge infotainment center, lane keep assist. The technology in these things is just amazing. It's got lane keep assist, it's got adaptive cruise control, forward collision monitoring, all sorts of goodies to keep you safe. In the back here we have lots of storage with the seats folded down, plenty of room for tailgating or moving your child off to college. Nice looking wheels, and again, that beautiful Rapid Red Metallic. Let's take a look at the Silver Escape on my left. This vehicle comes equipped with a rear view camera, like I mentioned, lane keep assist, parking monitoring. Let's take a look at the inside here. Again, large infotainment center. This one has the cloth seats. Still has the lane keep assist and some of those safety features that I mentioned on the other one. We can get up to 32 miles to the gallon on both of these vehicles. If you're looking to score a great car, come see John at Donley Ford, and let's take it to the end zone.